Yes, I know this is a bit unconventional, but do not skip this video. Please watch it to the end. I promise you, this is the best 2-minute investment you are going to make today. Let me introduce my company to you. It is called Shop and Relax, and we have thousands of business customers just like you. We have been solving their logistics challenges whereas shipping from America is concerned. And you've probably been having issues with punctuality or overall cost of logistics. My company has been shipping packages, pallets, and huge amount of freight from the US to the front doorstep of business customers in Jamaica, and doing so like clockwork at a reduced rate. Take a look at my company and give us a quick call or WhatsApp message. We will help you solve some of your logistics challenges. If you want a company that is a true partner, you can pick up the phone and say, hey, run over to Lauderhill or North Miami to pick up a pallet and get it to my front doorstep by next week Wednesday at a reduced cost. You found a partner in business. So, give us a call or send us a WhatsApp message. I want you to click on the link below, check out our social media presence, and see how many packages we have delivered reliably to happy customers just like you. My name is Robert Taylor, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer. I want to hear from you, so I want you to give us a call or send us a WhatsApp message today. Thank you.